In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment on an invoice. Let's walk through it step by step so you can confidently mark an invoice as paid and keep your books accurate. First, head to the left-hand menu and open the Sales area. In some layouts, this may be labeled Get Paid and Pay, but it takes you to the same place where your customer transactions live. Next, open your list of invoices. You can do this by selecting Invoices directly, or by choosing All Sales if you prefer to see everything in one list and then filter down. Either option will show you the invoice records you're managing. Now, find the specific invoice you're receiving money for. Look for one with an open or unpaid status. If you have a long list, use search or filters to quickly narrow down by customer, date, or status. Confirm you've got the right invoice by checking the amount and the customer details before moving on. When you're ready, click Receive Payment. You can usually do this right from the invoice row, or you can open the invoice first and use the Receive Payment button from within. This opens the Receive Payment screen where you'll capture the details of the money you're recording. Here, enter the payment information carefully. Choose the payment method, such as cash, bank transfer, or credit card, so your records reflect how the money came in. Select the Deposit to Account to indicate where the funds should go. This might be your checking account, undeposited funds, or another appropriate account. Confirm the payment date, making sure it matches when you actually receive the money, as this affects your reports. Finally, review the amount received. If the customer paid in full, it should match the invoice total. If they paid only part of it, enter the partial amount. The remaining balance will stay on the invoice. When everything looks correct, save your work. Choose Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you're entering another payment right away. Taking a moment to double-check before saving helps prevent misapplied payments and extra cleanup later. After saving, verify the invoice status. It should now show as paid if the full amount was received, or partially paid if there's still a balance due. This confirmation is your cue that the payment has been recorded and the customer's balance is up to date. That's it. By following these steps, opening sales, locating the invoice, receiving the payment, entering accurate details, saving, and confirming status, you'll keep your invoicing clear and your financial records reliable.